I got this from the Salvation Army for about $3. It was broken, but I love Serenity, as you know. Serenity, happiness, love, sex, and magic. And I love fixing broken things. It's all super glued. It's been sitting there for a while. Nobody wanted it. And I love arts and crafts. So let's turn this puppy on and see if it actually works. Hey, it's getting power. Wow. Goes to show, not everything that is broken can't be fixed. And provide beauty still. There's a little love, tenderness, and care.